Hey everybody, I actually have another unexpected video for you today. So let me turn the camera on and I'll show you what's happening. All right, this is my roof vent. Well, actually my cap for my propane furnace. As you can see, it has a very large hole. It's been temporarily fixed on. It's temporarily fixed to hold it in place because these pieces where this is supposed to attach to the screws has gone underneath. I have to order and find one because I guess it's an unusual size. So what I'm going to do in the meantime is I've cut out this piece of tin. I am going to mount that onto the top using pop rivets. And then after that, I'm going to cut a couple sections, bend it in, and then pop rivet on the side as well. This is going to be a temporary fix because I really need to cover that hole immediately and then see if I can find a new cap. All right, I'll kind of have to walk you through the process. I don't have my stand up here with me at the moment. But the first thing to do is I'm going to get this roughly centered. I'm going to drill a couple holes to do the pop riveting, put those in, and then I will show you the next step, what I plan to do after that, and then the end results. All right, folks, so I had to come up with an alternative. The metal in here is so weak that pop rivets are just ripping right through it. So instead, what I'm going to do, and I tried one to see if it'll work, is, like I said, bend a piece of this over, take some screws, some washers to give it some width, and put 4 screws and washers in just to hold this thing down for the winter. So once this is done, I'll show you what it looks like. It's not going to be pretty, but if I have trouble finding a vent cap, at least this will keep some of the water out temporarily. All right, well, until I can get the right piece to replace this, the best that I can do, where this is so fragile, is I found some screws, some washers, and nuts, and I pre-drilled some holes. I think I caught it on one video, and I did 4 of these, so I'm just going to do a little bit of a tug test here. This at least will get me by. Now, what I guess I could do, if I really wanted to, I could probably put some more in here, but I think for the purposes of keeping the rain off and the snow, even if I don't find something before this winter, that should hold up. But we'll check that out. Before winter, I'll probably climb up here again to make sure everything is all right. But I guess that's what I'm going to do for now, since the pop rivets are just too strong for this metal.